हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माई सेल्फ गोविंद। मैं आपके लिए 12th केमिस्ट्री का हेलो अल्केन्स एंड हेलो अरेंज चैप्टर लेके आया हूं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ यू नो व्हाट इज मीन बाय अल्केन्स एंड व्हाट इज मीन बाय अरेंज इन क्लास 11th. So first of all, we see the definition of alkanes. Alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon single bond. On the other hand, arenes are aromatic compounds containing alternate single and hello. Hello means hi, hello. No, here hello means salt forming elements. For example, chlorine, bromine, iodine and acetylene. Acetylene is a radioactive element. That part we will cover in the chapter P block elements. Okay, then come to our definition. Haloalkanes are derivatives. Math students very well known about derivatives. For example, sin x derivative is cos x. Similarly, these haloalkanes are derivatives of alkanes in which one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by corresponding number of halogen atoms. For example, the first member of alkane methane reacts with chlorine in presence of a halide to give CH3Cl, means one hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen atom. Then formed compound is CH3Cl, which is called as chloromethane. That is the IUPAC name, or it may be called as CH3Cl methyl chloride or methyl chloride. Byproduct is HCl. That is the substitution reaction. Haloarenes, second definition. Haloarenes are derivatives of aromatic compounds like benzene, naphthalene, anthracene. These are also called as arenes, in which one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by corresponding number of halogen atoms. For example, here is the benzene, which is similarly reacts with chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form chlorobenzene. Here also one hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen atom, that is chlorine. We will get the chlorobenzene. Haloalkanes are classified into three types. First one, on the basis of number of halogen atoms, means how many the halogen atom carries, they are classified on that type. For example, haloalkanes, C2H6, it is the molecular formula of ethane. One hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen atom, hence it is monohaloalkane. Here similarly, two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two halogen atoms, hence it is dihaloalkanes. Here three hydrogen atoms are replaced by three halogen atoms, hence it is trihaloalkane. On the other hand, for example, methane, all the hydrogen atoms are replaced by all four chlorine atoms, hence it is tetrachloroalkane. Similarly, the arene are same classified as when one hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen atom, monohaloarene. When two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two halogen, dihaloarene. When three hydrogen atoms are replaced by three halogen atoms, trihaloarene. Tetrahaloarene means four hydrogen atoms are replaced by four halogen atoms. Second classification, compounds containing sp3-CH bond. You are very known about hybridization. There are three types of hybridizations. sp3 having all four single bonds. sp2 there is a double bond, and sp means there is a triple bond. On this, haloalkanes are again classified into, on the basis of sp3-CH bond, three categories. Alkyl halides, they are also called haloalkanes. They have general formula CnH2n plus 1 dot X. Means one hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen atom. Hence, alkane formula CnH2n plus 2. The one is replaced by X. They are again classified into three types. Primary alkyl halides means halogen atom is attached to primary carbon atom, that is CH2. In secondary alkyl halides, the halogen atom is attached to secondary carbon, that is CH. And in tertiary alkyl halides, the halogen atom is attached to tertiary carbon atom. Next, it is classified into second type, allylic halides. In allylic halides, the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Next to it is double bond, carbon-carbon double bond is present. Hence, these are allylic halides. Getting? The halides in which halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Next to it is double bond, carbon-carbon double bond is present, is called as allylic halides. Third one, benzylic halides. In benzylic halides, the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Next to it is benzene ring is present. Next to it is benzene ring is present. Here also, this X, that is halogen, is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Next to it is benzene ring present. Similarly, in alkyl halides, all the carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized. Second, last, compounds containing sp2CX bond, means there is carbon-carbon double bond. These are again classified into two types, vinyl halides and aryl halides. In vinyl halides, this halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Here also, this halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. These are called as vinyl halides. On the other hand, aryl halides, in aryl halides, the halogen atom is directly attached to benzene ring or aromatic ring. These aryl halides are also called as aryls. Nomenclature. We use two types of nomenclatures. Common names that are limited for India and the IUPAC names that are used at international levels. First, we will see the basic rules of IUPAC names. First rule is longest chain rule. Second one, lowest number rule for functional group. Third one, identify and number the substituent. Last one, write the name of the compound in single word. Between digits we have to use commas, and between digits and word we have to use dash. Okay, these are the IUPAC rules. First of all, we will see the compound CH3Cl, that is its common name. We use alkyl halides, and in IUPAC name we give haloalkanes. Means common names we will first write alkyl part, that is carbon part, and then halogen part. Opposite in IUPAC, halogen part comes first and we end with alkane part. CH3Cl, that is methyl chloride, CH3, methyl group, and Cl chloride. Its IUPAC name. First we write the halogen part, chloromethane, because there is only one carbon atom. Hence, its IUPAC name is chloromethane. On the other hand, second example, CH3, CH2Br. It may be written as C2H5Br. This is the ethyl group or ethyl group, ethyl bromide. Its common name, IUPAC name, halo part comes before bromoethane, because there are two carbon atoms, bromoethane. And next to it, CH3, CH2, CH2R. There is a normal chain, hence we use the prefix N. There are three carbon atoms, N propyl iodide, because there is a iodine. Here comes the chain of three carbon atoms, hence we have to give the numbering from that side where functional group get lowest number. Hence we have to give the numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3. Hence its IUPAC name is 1-iodopropane. Next one, CH3CHBr CH3. On second carbon there is the CH3, hence we use the prefix iso. There are three carbon atoms, hence propyl, and for bromine, bromide, isopropyl bromide. Here also three carbon chain, hence we have to give the numbering from both the sides. This carbon atom will get second number 1, 2, 3. Hence, its IUPAC name is 2-bromopropane. 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 Next to it, CH3, CH2, 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 Cl. There are 4 carbon atoms on normal chain. Hence, N for 4 carbon atoms we use butene because there are 4 carbon atoms, and for Cl we have to write chloride. N-butyl chloride is a common name. For IUPAC number that follows that rule, longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the carbon longest carbon chain. We have to give the numbering according to second rule, lowest number rule. Hence 1, 2, 3, 4. 1-chlorobutane will be the IUPAC name. Next, CH3CHI, CH2CH. This iodine is attached to CH. Hence we have to use prefix secondary. We have to write sec. The butene iodide. Secondary butyl iodide. Iodide for iodine. Similarly, this IUPAC name, we have to select the longest chain, carbon chain, lowest number, identify the substituents, write the name in one word. Hence, we have to give numbering from that side. No, this carbon will get 3 numbering. Hence, we have to start from this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-iodobutane. That's the correct IUPAC name. Next, CH3, CH3, Br. On second carbon, there is a CH3. Hence, in common names, we use iso, 4 carbon butyl bromide. For IUPAC name, we have to give the numbering. From which side we have to give numbering? From this side or this side? This side, because bromine will get less number. 1, 2, 3. 1 bromo, because alphabetically this B comes before M, hence we write 1-bromo-2-methyl propane. It's the IUPAC name. Only in common names we use N-iso-leo. In IUPAC name we use only numbers 1, 2, 3. This is the one CH3, C, CH3, CH3, bond, CH2, bond, I. On second carbon there are 2 CH3. Hence in common name we use the prefix neo. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms, hence pentyl alkyl group, and iodide for this iodine. For IUPAC name we follow that rules. Longest chain, this one is the longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. Next rule, lowest number rule. Lowest number means that iodine carries less number, so we have to give the numbering from that side, 1, 2, 3. Then identify and number the substituent. These are the 2 substituents on second carbon, CH3 and CH3. Alphabetically this iodine comes first. I comes before M. Hence we write its name 1-iodo 2,2 dimethyl propane. Okay. Next, CH3 single bond C, single bond CH3, single bond CH3, single bond Br. This bromine is attached to tertiary carbon atom. Hence its common name is tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary because this bromine attached to third carbon. Butyl means there are 4 carbon. Tertiary butyl bromide. For IUPAC, same rule. Follow that same rule. We have to give the we have to check longest chain and give the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Inside, same 1, 2, 3. On second carbon, there is a bromine and methyl, but alphabetically bromine comes before methyl. Hence, 2-bromo-2-methyl propane. Next, when 2 hydrogen atoms of methane CH4 are replaced by 2 chlorine atoms, it is methylene dichloride, common name methylene. When there is a CH3 methyl, we call it methyl. When there is a CH2, we call it methylene. For 2 chlorine dichloride, IUPAC name halo part comes. There are 2 chloro, hence dichloromethane. Next, CHCl3. It is a chloroform which acts as anesthetic. Chloroform. Trichloroethane. Trichloromethane is the IUPAC name. There are 3 chlorines. Trichloromethane. CHBr3. Its common name is bromoform. Tribromomethane. Next, CCl4. All the 4 hydrogen atoms of methane are replaced by 4 chlorine atoms. Hence carbon tetrachloride, IUPAC double bond CH, single bond Cl. This chlorine is attached to that double bonded carbon atom. Hence its common name is vinyl chloride. Its IUPAC name is, first we write the halo part, chloro, carbon carbon double bond. Hence ethene. Next CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH, single bond Br. Its common name is allyl bromide. Bromine is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. Next to it is double bond zinc. Here we have to give the numbering from this double bonded side, because in 11th standard we see the priority order. First comes acids, carboxylic acids, then esters, then amides, then cyanides, then aldehydes, then ketones, then alcohols, then amines, then carbon-carbon double bond, and last carbon-carbon triple bond, and the next to it is haloalkanes. Hence, we have to give the numbering from carbon-carbon double bond, because the priority order of functional group is follows that orders: carboxylic acid, esters, amides, cyanides, aldehydes, ketones, alcohol, amines, carbon-carbon double bond, and then carbon-carbon triple bond. Then lastly, and next to it, haloalkanes. Hence, we have to give the numbering from carbon-carbon double bonded side: 3-bromo-propene or 3-bromo-propanene we can write. Nomenclature of haloarenes. This is the benzene ring. Here bromine, here bromine. This bromine and this bromine is ortho position to each other, hence ortho dibromobenzene. Di means there are two bromines. These are, one is ortho position with respect to each other, hence ortho dibromobenzene. In IUPAC names we have to give the numbers 1, 2. 1, 2 dibromobenzene, its IUPAC name. Here similarly, this bromine with respect to this bromine is at meta position, hence M, that is short, meta dibromobenzene. In IUPAC name we have to give the numbering 1, 2, 3. 1, 3 dibromobenzene. Next, benzene ring Cl, 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 Cl. We have to give the numbering from that side. The substituent, all the substituents give the less numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 5. Tetrachlorobenzene, because there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. Tetrachlorobenzene. And lastly, this is benzene ring Cl, Cl, Cl. These chlorine are symmetrical to each other on the position, hence its symmetrical trichlorobenzene. Its IUPAC name will be given by with numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5 trichlorobenzene.